Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 won't start easy and quick. If you want to fix it, first click here and then go to background apps, turn off this option and then go back, go to Windows Update Settings, check for updates, make sure to install latest updates, go back, go to GeForce Experience and then go to drivers and click check for updates. After that you will need to download and install the latest update and then go back, right click on Call of Duty, properties, compatibility, enable those two options and first option. Now click apply and OK, and after that your problem must be fixed. See you in the next video.